I'm Matt, Senior Client Success Manager for White House Custom Color, and I am hanging out in Dallas, Texas today outside of Asymmetry Studio, which is a shared space. Awesome senior photographers. Alison and Chris are wonderful people. We're going to be doing a full redesign makeover with these guys over the next few days.
So the front area is shared, and the owner's one thing was you can't make it look like a photography studio up here because that's not fair to the other tenants. So we worked to find pieces that looked a little bit more abstract, a little bit more like artwork, and very carefully picked what we were going to put up there so that way we could still show our work.
People always ask, how do you figure out gaps? Okay, so you want to eliminate as much guess out of your measurements as possible. So like I was saying, I'm going to measure to my center mark, which you can see the little arrow coming down here. Okay, so we're at 23 and a half. Okay, now on a grouping, I will typically do 2 inches, maybe 3 inches in the middle. So I'm going to go with 2 on this because we're already going to get pretty tall.
Having the actual images on the walls now, after every single session, I'm going to be able to go back and show them, like as we're setting up their appointment, be thinking about if you want to do something like this. You know, they can start planting that seed before they come back and I'm trying to show them a grouping in studio. So that part will be nice because they can see it on the wall before I'm showing them virtually their images during the presentation.
I think just even yesterday, because right after we were done yesterday, I came back up here because I had a consultation with a client over Zoom. I realized how important it is to have displays, because even if they're not there in person, I realized that they can see the wall behind me as I'm doing, talking to them.